Hello and welcome back to our training where we talk about how you can get more done in less time using the power of Prosperity Central. And on our training today, we're going to continue talking about SmartSender, and we're going to talk about how you can edit or update a resource that you've added to your account already. But before we get into that, once again, my name is Jeff Osnes. I'm your host. I'm your trainer. I am your tour guide as we go through this system. And this system is Prosperity Central. What is Prosperity Central, though? Prosperity Central is an online contact management system designed to help you manage, organize, and follow up with your prospects in an effective and efficient way. It was built specifically for the network marketing industry. However, anyone in sales can really benefit by taking advantage of this powerful tool. So if you know anybody in network marketing or in sales, please take a moment right now and share this video with them so they can start to learn about this system and take advantage of this system so they can start closing more deals. Now let's get into our training today. Now, like I mentioned earlier, on our training today, we're going to continue talking about the SmartSender feature. However, more specifically, we're going to talk about how you can update a resource that you've already added to the system. So let's jump back over to marketing. We're going to go down to SmartSender. And when you get to the SmartSender page, this is where you can start to access any of the resources that you've already created. Now, if you watched our video from yesterday, then you're probably sitting here going, well, wait a second, you created a resource, but I don't see it on this page. Where is it? That's because the system allows you to filter your resources by a few different options. So you can see right now it's showing me all of my resources that are of the video type with any category. And we haven't talked about categories yet. We're going to get into categories and how you can use that to organize your data better. But that is why you're not seeing the resource that we created yesterday, because yesterday's resource was created as a document. So if we change the filter to show all content, documents, all categories, you will see that resource that we created yesterday is listed there. Now, if I want to edit that resource, I just mouse over it, click on the Actions button, and click on Edit. That'll open up the resource where I can preview it. I can delete it if I want, but that's not what we're going to do today. We can change the document. Let's say we get an updated flyer from the company, or we create an updated PDF, and we don't need to necessarily create a new resource. We can actually just update the existing resource to start using the new PDF. Now, why would you want to just update the resource as opposed to just creating a new resource? And the key here is past emails. If you've sent this resource out in any emails previously, now going forward, if you just update the resource, going forward, those people who already have a link to the resource will be able to view the updated content as opposed to the outdated content. This also comes in handy if you've got this resource posted anywhere else, maybe accessible through a website, a capture page, or things like that. So the next thing that you can update is the title. Remember, we created the title, the description. Of course, you can update the category. Once again, we're not going to really get into categories right now, but we will be talking about categories very specifically soon. Call to action. This is another one that we'll be talking about in more detail on its own training. And then, of course, we could update the password if we wanted to update the password. Once you've made your changes, go ahead and save it. And that's it. If you've shared this with hundreds or thousands of people, if you've got this posted online on different websites, different places, you've updated it everywhere. One update updates everything. You don't have to go and create a whole new resource. Just update the existing resource and you're done. And that's it for our training today. As you can see, Prosperity Central is here to help you boost sales and growth. It is a super simple system that helps you present your opportunity, organize your contacts, and track your contact activities so you know who to focus on and when to focus on them. It has a 2-tier affiliate program built right in so that you can start building a second income stream by helping your team take advantage of tools they should be taking advantage of anyway. It is mobile friendly and it is priced just right. Speaking of price, there are 3 account levels: basic, professional, and premier. The basic account is free for life. That is so everybody on your team can get a Prosperity Central account with no excuses. That makes it so everybody can have access to your training all in one place. Now, for those people who are serious about building an income from home, they should get the professional account at a minimum. The professional account gives them everything they need to manage, organize, and follow up with their prospects. And then the premier account is for you, the team leader, the person who's trying to build an organization. This gives you the tools to create and share content with your organization, as well as your fully customizable training page within the back office. Now, if you do not have a Prosperity Central account, you need to go to prosperitycentral.biz. Once again, prosperitycentral.biz, and set up your account today so you can start getting more done in less time using the power of Prosperity Central. Thanks again, and happy prospecting.